Hey, if you've ever dreamed of writing a romance novel but felt overwhelmed by the process, today's video is going to change everything for you. Because I'm about to show you how beginners can create romance novels with compelling characters in minutes, not months or years, using something called one-prompt romance books. Now, I know what you're thinking. Writing a novel sounds complicated, but trust me, this is a copy and paste solution that makes the entire process effortless. Do you ever scroll through Amazon and wonder how so many authors are publishing romance books every single week? The truth is, most of them aren't spending months locked away writing. They're using smarter tools. And with this master prompt, you can join them, even if you've never written a single page before. Traditional writing is tough. You need to brainstorm plots, build characters, and somehow keep readers hooked until the very last page. For beginners, that's intimidating. And let's be honest, most people give up before they even finish chapter 1. But what if you could skip all that stress? What if you had a proven system that instantly generates a complete romance novel with characters your readers will fall in love with? That's exactly what One Prompt Romance Books delivers. It's a professionally designed master prompt that guides AI to create full romance novels in minutes. You simply paste the prompt, answer a few quick questions, and boom, the novel is written right before your eyes. And here's the best part. The characters aren't flat or generic. The prompt is engineered to build compelling personalities, emotional arcs, and believable relationships. So instead of cookie-cutter stories, you get novels that feel authentic and engaging. If you're brand new to writing, this is perfect. You don't need any experience. You don't need to know how to structure a plot or develop dialogue. The prompt does all the heavy lifting for you. Think of it like having a professional ghostwriter on call 24/7, except you don't pay thousands of dollars. You just copy, paste, and watch your story come alive. Now imagine this. You create one romance novel a day for the next 30 days. At the end of the month, you've got 30 books ready to publish on Amazon KDP. That's 30 opportunities to earn royalties in one of the biggest niches online, a $1.44 billion industry. And don't worry, the package includes full training on how to publish your ebooks on Amazon, so you're not left guessing what to do next. You'll know exactly how to upload, format, and start selling. But it doesn't stop there. This package also comes with PLR rights, private label rights. That means you can resell the master prompt in training as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. So you're not just building an Amazon empire, you're also creating a digital product business. That's 2 income streams from one simple purchase. Here's the catch. This is an introductory offer. The price is ridiculously low right now, but it won't stay that way. If you've ever wanted to break into publishing or start making money online with AI, this is your chance. So, if you're ready to create romance novels with compelling characters, even as a complete beginner, and build yourself a publishing empire with One Prompt Romance Books, click the link below and lock in your copy today. This is your moment to stop dreaming about writing and actually start publishing. And with this system, you'll be amazed at how easy it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.